Hello friends, this is my Nettech Blue Sky channel here, and today I'm showing new topic in this my series network related. So I'm already created this video about first how you using network, what is a network. So I'm already created this video. Watch one by one video. Okay, so I'm already this created video my last previous video what is a network and how working this network computer. So now this time I'm showing you network history of computer. So let's start. So friend, before start my video, I'm give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on here, and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related computer related advanced computer hardware network software everything playlist I'm already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system. You can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit for my playlist. So thank you. So before start this my video, watch my others playlist inside the control panel. What is a computer control panel? What is a different type computer hardware parts and computer website? How using Gmail securities, Facebook, say Facebook securities. I've already created a lot of playlist in my channel. So going through my playlist channel and playlist. So this is very helpful for you in knowledge, and my this free of all of courses. So let's continue this video. So network history of a computer. So old generation time I'm starting postman type this so that is a network. How postman sharing this post and different type your letters and your area sites. So how identify and how finding this your your area, your locations. So that is a postman and post office. Different type of networks is here, and network created different size area. After these created telegraphy and these technology created telephone technologies. First telephone this type you can hear, this type electronic networking system start here, And after starting this, in a lot of technology coming, and starting 1982 first mail send network, in first computer network here. So arguably the greatest advancement in technology and communication over the 1970 year. Communication first 1971 in created this has been the development and advance of the computer network, from emailing a friend to online bill paying and to downloading data of the internet. E-commerce networking has made our world much smaller and changed the way we communicate forever. So this is one type of very created this first man email 1971 in these systems. 1971 in start email first sending mail one to another computer, and this system very helpful for. But now this time Gmail technology very last 35 year, this latest and high powerful technology using your different type technologies in Gmail systems. So that is the electronic mail, that means electronic network and systems here. They start here systems. So ISP, Cisco, D-Link, different type company available, and create different type network devices, network systems, and the network system with different type. So ISP one type of internet service provider. Internet services provider, that means your service provider, sending your IPs and sending your different type of services. That is an internet service provider. Cisco company one type of created different devices, different type technologies and communication systems. D-Link create and after pipeline different type of other companies. So that is a network means one computer to another computer connect. That means a network. I am already told you last my previous video. And after you can see Microsoft, Unix, Linux, Mac, that type this company created different type operating systems and configurations, different type making a part of computers and create different type you know, different Intex, Intel, D-Link, pipeline, different type communication system. So 1971 these professors created I'm already terms these created made about these man watch my previous computer hardware video in computer history. I'm already give these professor all of information. So these Yahoo, Google, and different type companies available, Microsoft type companies, and email systems upgrade and grow these technologies 1971 to now this time. So Yahoo, Google, what is the first coming here? So Yahoo is old company start, and Google company is a 1998 time created this Gmail system, Gmail technologies. So this is very helpful for your informations. And next time I'm showing you why use and need a network connection, why using your system network, why we are need uh, your network system connection. So discuss in next time video. Okay, so watch my previous video, all my video part was here, and you want any information, you want any your problem in questions, so comment to me, and I will try 24 in answer give you. So thanks for watching my video. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, and click on bell icon for new notification, and first you can select this. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.